Hey, I'm Jessica. If you love cars as much as I do, you're in the right place. From drifting car days to uncovering the world's most iconic rides, gear up and subscribe to Race with Jessica for non-stop car fun.
4 reasons you should wait for 2026 Ford Super Duty. Don't buy 2025. Let's face it, there's only so much that a regular pickup truck can do once you need a true, tried, and tested workhorse. Nothing but a heavy-duty pickup truck will suffice, and out of all of them, there's simply no substitute for the phenomenal Ford Super Duty lineup. However, believe it or not, Ford just made its Super Duty even better for the upcoming model year, improving it in virtually every way possible. So with that in mind, let's take a deep dive into the 4 key reasons why you should wait for the 2026 Ford Super Duty. Number 4. Enhanced package options. One of the key reasons why people tend to adore the Ford Super Duty is because of its sheer versatility. When configured properly, the F450 Super Duty can tow up to 40,000 pounds, which is truly monstrous, and the best in its class this is. Thanks to its diesel 6.7 volts 8 engine, which puts out a whopping 500 horsepower and an unbelievable 1,200 pound-feet of torque, making it ideal for virtually any chore you throw at it, from pulling down your neighbor's house to kickstarting the world if it ever stops spinning. Well, we're glad to announce that the 2026 model year will come with even greater package options that make the truck more appealing than ever before. First of all, there's the brand new Lariat Premium Package, which is now available for Lariat Crew Cab 4x4 models. Equipped with the 7.3-liter V8 engine, this package bundles some of the most requested features into one convenient option, including Ford Co-Pilot 362 platform running boards, power sliding rear window with defrost and privacy glass Pro Trailer hitch, Assist Pro Trailer backup assist, and trailer reverse guidance. This is a game changer for anyone who regularly tows trailers because it simplifies the entire process and makes backing up with a trailer almost effortless. Then there's the STX Appearance Package, which has been expanded for the 2026 model year. Previously, this package was only available on single rear-wheel models, but now it's offered on F350 dually configurations too. The package adds body color front and rear bumpers, a painted grille, distinctive STX badging, LED lights, and premium interior enhancements, making your workhorse look as good as it performs. Another fantastic addition is the return of the SuperCab short box configuration. The 148-inch SuperCab, paired with a 6.5-foot bed, is back by popular demand. After Ford listened to customer feedback, this gives buyers more flexibility, especially those who need a more compact footprint without sacrificing too much cargo space. Finally, the poured Loguses at my now, especially its plow of the desk down the side. Tremor off-road package is now available with both the standard output and high-output 6.7-liter Power-Stroke diesel engines. Previously, you had to opt for the high-output version to get the Tremor package, but now the standard 75 horsepower diesel can be paired with it too, saving you around $2,500 while still giving you serious off-road capability. Number 3. Advanced technology and safety features. There's no denying that the Ford Super Duty lineup looks both incredibly good and incredibly menacing. Honestly, the versatility and neutrality of its looks are what, in our opinion, makes it more appealing than the Silverado and Ram heavy-duty pickup trucks. Honestly, just look at the F450. It looks like it can swallow the world with such class and elegance that is simply uncanny. However, what really sets the 2026 model apart is the technological leap forward that Ford has implemented across the lineup. For starters, tire pressure monitoring system is now standard equipment across all Super Duty models, including the F550 chassis cab. This might seem like a small detail, but for fleet managers and commercial operators, this is a huge deal because maintaining proper tire pressure is critical for safety, fuel efficiency, and tire longevity. Having this as a standard feature means one less thing to worry about and one more. Way to keep your trucks running optimally, the connectivity options have also been significantly improved. Ford now offers a 7-year connectivity package as a one-time purchase option. This gives owners access to features like remote start, vehicle health alerts, navigation updates, and much more for 7 full years without any subscription hassles. This is particularly valuable for businesses that keep their trucks for extended periods and want to ensure they have all the dollars narrow, dyed, and to reels. Latest connected features. Throughout the vehicle's service life, Ford has also made the SuperCab keyless entry keypad available on more trim levels. It's now optional with the XLT Premium Package and standard on Lariat King Ranch and Platinum trims. Plus, it's available as a dealer-installed option on the base XL trim. This classic Ford feature is incredibly convenient, especially for work trucks where multiple drivers need access or when you don't want to carry keys while working. The infotainment system continues to use Ford's latest SYNC interface, which has been praised for its intuitive layout and responsive touchscreen. It's logically organized, making it far easier to navigate than some competitors' systems, especially when you're wearing work gloves or trying to adjust settings quickly while on the job site. All of these technological improvements make the 2026 Super Duty not just a capable truck, but a smart truck that works with you rather than against you. Number 2. Unmatched capability and performance. Another thing about the 2026 Ford Super Duty that we absolutely love is its unmatched capability in the segment. At first glance, it may actually seem like the specs haven't changed much, and you'd be partially right. Because Ford didn't mess with what already works. The diesel's 6.7-liter Power Stroke continues to offer up to 500 horsepower and 1,200 pound-feet of torque in high output form, while the standard output version delivers 475 horsepower and 1,050 pound-feet. These are absolutely phenomenal numbers that make the Super Duty a true powerhouse. However, what really matters is how these numbers translate to real-world capability. And that's where the Super Duty truly shines. The maximum gooseneck towing capacity remains at an industry-leading 40,000 pounds, which is absolutely insane when you think about it. That's literally 20 tons of trailer that this truck can pull with confidence. Fifth wheel towing maxes out at 35,000 pounds, and even conventional towing reaches 30,000 pounds. These aren't just numbers on a spec sheet, these are real-world capabilities that allow contractors, ranchers, and RV enthusiasts to move massive loads with confidence. The payload capacity also reaches up to 88,000 pounds, which means you can load this truck up with tools, materials, equipment without breaking a sweat. Speaking of the engines, let's talk about the gasoline options because not everyone needs or wants a diesel. The base 6.8-liter V8 now produces 405 horsepower and 445 pound-feet of torque, which is impressive for a base engine. Then there's the legendary 7.3-liter Godzilla V8, which pumps out 430 horsepower and 485 pound-feet of torque. This naturally aspirated beast is perfect for those who want serious power without the complexity, or cost of a diesel engine. It's also worth mentioning that this engine is known for its reliability and simplicity, making it a favorite among fleet operators. All these powertrains are mated to Ford's Torque Shift 10 speed automatic transmission, which has been fine-tuned to provide smooth shifts, excellent throttle response, and optimal power delivery. Whether you're towing uphill or cruising empty on the highway, Ford also promises that the transmission has been improved for 2026, with enhanced shift logic and better responsiveness, making the driving experience even more refined than before. The Super Duty continues to dominate its segment when it comes to pure capability, and the 2026 model maintains that crown with authority. Number 1. Better value and features for your money. Much better package value now. Here's something that might surprise you. While the 2026 Super Duty does come with price increases, they're relatively modest compared to the value you're getting most trims will see. A year-over-year price increase of between $700 to $800, which represents only about 1% of the truck's starting price. When you consider inflation and all the new features and packages being offered, this is actually quite reasonable. The F-250 starts at around $48,000 for the base regular cab configuration, while the F-350 starts at approximately $51,725 for the SuperCab. Yes, these are significant investments investments, but when you consider that these trucks can last for decades and handle workloads that would destroy lesser vehicles, the value proposition becomes much clearer. What makes the Fenton 2026 model year particularly appealing is the expanded availability of packages and options that were previously restricted. The Lariat Premium Package, for example, bundles together features that would cost significantly more if purchased individually. By packaging them together, Ford is giving buyers more value for their money. The expanded STX Appearance Package availability on dually models means you can get a great-looking work truck without having to step up to. The expensive luxury trims the return of the SuperCab shortbox configuration, also provides a more affordable entry point for buyers who don't need a full crew cab but still want decent passenger space and a functional bed length. This configuration fills a gap in the lineup and gives buyers more choices at different price points. Perhaps most importantly, the availability of the standard output diesel with the Tremor package saves buyers approximately $2,500, while still delivering serious off-road capability with 475 horsepower and 1,050 pound-feet of torque. That's more than enough power for most users, and the $2,500 savings can be put toward other options or upgrades. Ford has also been relatively conservative with pricing on the Super Duty lineup. Especially compared to some competitors, the Ram HD received a major update recently, and with it came significant price increases. The Silverado HD also commands premium pricing in many configurations by keeping price increases minimal while adding more value through packages and features. Ford is making the 2026 Super Duty an NU for night. Even more compelling choice when you factor in Ford's traditionally strong resale values. Especially for diesel-equipped Super Duty trucks, the long-term cost of ownership becomes very attractive. These trucks hold their value incredibly well, and it's not uncommon to see decade-old Super Duty trucks still commanding strong prices in the used market. All in all, the Ford Super Duty will once again secure its spot as the top dog in the segment, as it should. If this video helped you out, subscribe to Race with Jessica and hit that bell icon so you stay updated with all my newest content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.